how to make an amazing fluid art reverse flower dip painting using only 3 colors. Hello, I'm Becca, and if we haven't met yet, welcome to my fluid art channel. Here you can find tips and tricks to help you on your fluid art journey. Today I'm working on a 20-inch by 20-inch canvas, and the first step is to lay down a very thin base. All of my other flower dips have used a very dark, either black, navy blue, or dark brown background, and I wanted to try one using white. The first color that I'm laying down is Liquitex Gold. This is my personal favorite gold color. The next color that I'm laying down is Amsterdam Oxide Black, and then layering on the exact same color that I used for the base. In the description, you can find a detailed list of the colors that I'm using and the pouring medium that I'm using. If you've been enjoying this reverse dip fluid art flower series, please go ahead and like and subscribe. If this has not been your cup of tea and you miss my blowouts with the blow dryer, stay tuned because I have one more flower left in the series and then I'm going to be doing something else. So don't think that I'm just going to be doing reverse flower dips forever. This is just something that I've been learning and trying and having a good time with. And I will be on to my next series in a couple of weeks. Oh, wow. I am so happy with this. Look at the flower. It is like blooming and opening, and look at the cells form. Oh, I am so excited about this one. It is so beautiful. I wish that the camera could pick up the gold shimmer as well as you can see it to the naked eye. But man, I love the way this one turned out. You just can't beat a simple but dramatic color combination. I'm going to spin it very gently just to open up the flower a little bit. And as I did, it kind of ended up going off center. So I'm very carefully and very slowly picking up the sides of the canvas and scooching the weight of the paint back towards the center so that I can spin it again and get the edges of the flower closer to the edges of the canvas. My goal was to get dangerously close without having any of the edges of the flower actually drip over the edge of the canvas. And as you can see there, I am dangerously close to the edge of the canvas on the right and left side. I would like to hang it right in that position right there because I think that is beautiful. It is like an isometric perspective of a flower blooming and opening. Just the dramatic white against black with the contrast of those gold cells. I really love this one. I can't wait to see what it looks like when it's dry. Holy moly, after 5 long days of waiting for this painting to dry, I love the results. It dried beautifully. This one is all about style and sophistication. This flower is opening up towards the sun, revealing its inner splendor and beauty. I am using Olga Soby's recipe and layering method to make this beautiful opening flower. If you would like to learn how to make this flower and learn more about Olga's recipe and layering methods, click on the video right under the words up next so you can decide if it's right for you. Grace and peace to you, my friends, and I will see you for the next one.